So let's get a little bit closer of a look on this chassis. Here it is, all silver anodized. Again, 4mm thick and an extra 20mm wide in the rear section here. So that's gonna really help with the rigidity. Okay, so another thing I want to show is this skin here. I got this for the stock chassis. You can see I tried to kind of make some holes in it, but this one I already have all apart, so I was thinking I can stick it on and then hopefully just use a reamer or something to poke those holes out enough to get some screws through there. So yeah, I'm gonna do that to protect this for now. I'm not not really too into it, to be honest with you. On the stock chassis it was okay because it was black and it was all scratched up already, but this one just looks so beautiful, but I really don't want it to get too scratched up, so I think I'm just going to use this, and I can always peel it off and just get something else. It was super cheap on eBay, so I can just, you know, order something else, but I think I'm going to try to get it on there. I kind of think it's funny with some butts, so yeah, who doesn't like butts? So I guess that's what I'm going to move on to now, is getting this stuck on here, getting the holes through. I'll do that in a time lapse, and I'll start breaking that Kraton down and start getting some parts moved on to the new chassis. Alright, chassis is all installed. Looks really good. You can feel the added weight for sure, but it's not a whole lot more, and the strength should really be good. So here's where it's 20 more mil thick in this section here. Alrighty, here's the look at the bottom. Of course, I got this skin on it here. Put this chassis up against it, and you can see how much thicker it is back here. So this part right here is going to be really nice with that extra thickness. So I'm really looking forward to that. The rigidity of this thing is going to be awesome. So you can see how thin that is. Look, you can just, really bend it a lot easier. This one still flexes a little. It's got to have some flex to it. But this is, this thing's just definitely not as quality as this M2C racing. So this piece is going to be super nice, and at least I do have this on here to protect it for now. I think I'm going to cut off this extra piece I have just for this section, although if I get a bumper it will probably cover it, so that's really good. But oh yeah, the truck's definitely got a little bit of more weight to it, but it doesn't feel too bad. It's an extra, let's see, 100 and something grams. This weighs what, 490? I think this weighs 380, so 110 grams more, I believe. So that's not too bad. So everything bolted up real good. Like I said, I used this stainless steel screw set. This is from RC Screws. I believe I got this on A-Main. This will help you with the build, just to have them extra, and then you'll have all nice hardware on there to match the really nice chassis. So that was something I wanted to do while I was doing this mod. Just a little something, you know, if you think you're going to do this, which is nice to have, is all that nice hardware. So now I'm rocking that new Hot Racing diff box in there, so I'm hoping that that holds up real good, because those screws were always breaking off for my bumper mount, so now I got those. So overall, I'm very happy with this chassis. I'm super pumped to have this, and I cannot wait to get out and run this truck, and I can report back after that. Overall, the install went very well. Everything lined up good. No issues there. It's not a super hard install. It just took me a little bit longer because I had to wait for that diff housing in the front. But other than that, you know, you can get everything moved right over to a new chassis very quick. Alright, thanks for tuning in and going along with this build, guys. But that is going to be it for the M2C Racing chassis. I will do some more videos of this thing out and bashing and give you guys some feedback and see what happens. But I should be pretty good. This truck is not missing too much. I just need some shock towers and one more chassis brace, and this thing is pretty much all decked out, except I'm still rocking the stock arms in the back. Those have been holding up. I do have the RPM ones in the front, so that's really good. But other than that, this truck is ready to rock and roll. So thanks for watching. If you got any questions, put them down there in the comments. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. I'd really like to see my subs go up here, so I'd appreciate it if you could sub. But that's it, and I will catch you guys in the next one. I'm out.